Good morning, dear students. Today, in the subject of business studies, we have discussed the importance of staffing. Already, I have discussed with you the meaning of staffing and the basic definitions of the staffing and what is the background about the staffing function. Today, you have written the notes also, and I have discussed with you people the importance of staffing. So here you see importance of staffing. Whatever the points we are discussing, they are the benefits of staffing also, or they are the need of the staffing function. First point to describe the importance of staffing is the filling the job positions. In the organization, when organizational structure is decided, there are various positions. Those positions are only filled by the staffing function. So staffing function will be hiring the people and putting them on the positions. That is the first point to describe the importance. Second one is right placement. This is the staffing function who decides that what is the experience, what is the ability, what is the capability, what is the interest of the person, what is the qualification of the person, and according to all these attributes, a person is placed on the right position. So, right person on the right position, that means the requirement of the job should be matching with the quality of the person. So, that is the right placement is done through the staffing function. Next one is optimum utilization. Optimum utilization of human resource. People are appointed in the right number, in the right quality. So there is no overstaffing or understaffing in the organization. When there is no overstaffing or understaffing of the organization, people are motivated for the organizational objective, those who are appointed. This way, whatever human power we have in the form of workers, employees and different other employees, they are used and their capacity and capabilities are used for the organization in the right direction. Next point is facing the competition. This is a competitive world, and in the competitive world you have to tune up with the pace which is going on. So for that sake you have to compete your organization. So you have to hire the good quality of people for the right placement. And this happens through the staffing function. Next point which you have written about is satisfaction. You know, in the organization, means in the staffing function, you don't only hire the people, rather in the staffing function, you compensate them, you promote them, you motivate them. All type of motivational work you do by giving the compensation, by training them and by motivating them. This way, people are satisfied with their job. So this is one of the big point to describe the importance of staffing, that through the staffing function, people are satisfied. And lastly, which we have written, effectiveness and growth. good quality of people are appointed, so they work in the organization efficiently and effectively. So there is a growth of the organization. So this way the credit goes to the staffing function, that in the organization work means organizational objectives are achieved through the proper work. So this was the thing which we discussed today.